What's up, Trail Trash? Welcome or welcome back. So it's Friday night, kind of late in the week, and I have not done a video because I've been busy all week. I was hoping to do my final update on my drawer system that I've been working on for the past few weeks, but I ran into a few issues. I needed some more quarter 20 bolts, order some of those, some longer ones, and then I had to order some more T-nuts and a few things. So I hadn't got to actually build my drawers for my frame, and I had to relocate my my drawer slides, which I'll show you. So I had added a support here, but my slides were not to the front far enough, and when you closed them, the locking mechanism was inside there, so I had to adjust them and bring them out some. So I got that done, but the hardware and all that I needed didn't come in until yesterday, and I've been busy at work. But I do have my wood in here. I was gonna do it the other day, but got held up on something. I've got to get a T-square to actually mark it out. And I don't have a T-square, so I haven't gone to Harbor Freight and bought one yet either. But I plan on doing that maybe this weekend. Maybe I can get my drawers cut out and put together, which they should be fairly easy. Getting everything cut out and then just gluing them and screwing them and getting them put together. That should be fairly simple once I have some time to get to it. Another little project I've got is I bought new mirrors for the FJ, and I got these from Suma Performance. And I also got some new LED bulbs for the mirror lights because you got to pop the mirrors out to change them. So I want to go ahead and, while I have the mirrors out, I'm going to change those bulbs, and that is actually the last bulbs on the FJ that I have to change out, and they'll all be LEDs. The ones I have are kind of a blue tint, and the ones I bought are more of a white light. So, but here we'll take a look at these mirrors that I got. Let's see. Yep, Suma Performance. And the ones I got are in the blue. They got the blue tint, and the reason I got the blue is for glare, anti-glare. So at nighttime, I have trouble seeing, especially if it's raining. The lights on the reflection of the water and everything is really bad on my eyes. So that's the reason I went with the blue tinted ones. It's supposed to cut that out or help with that. So, and I did not get the ones that are heated and they have turn signals in. And you can replace your whole mirror. They do offer those, but what that is would go over. On those, it's a whole mirror replacement, and it puts a turn signal in your mirror, and they're heated. So if you live in harsh winter climates, yeah, it'd be great, but I don't. So I didn't want to have to run the wire through the door jamb and all of that and tie into anything. So I really didn't want the extra work. I just want to pop these out and replace them. So that is the mirrors. Let's see if I've done anything back here. No, nothing's changed back here. Got my fridge slide in, and that's my electrical. I think I am gonna have to move. I usually have my paper towels right here, but with the drawer system, I had to take everything off this because it's so close. And I think I'm gonna maybe replace this, get rid of it, and just have my factory set up back here, or factory trim piece on. I haven't used this. It's one of those mods that I've never really used it, so I may get rid of that. All right, what else? Really, yeah, we're finishing our first house this weekend, so I've actually got to work tomorrow, and which is Saturday. And like I said, I just wanted to put together a short video, really just, letting you know where I'm at on my project. I am really close on finishing, and really happy with working with this 10 series aluminum. I like it. I will end up doing my platform. So my plans are to use more of that 10 series aluminum and redo this platform. When I redo it, I will lower it down, I think it's a 5/8 of an inch, so that it's level with my base plate in the back. I will use this L-track though, and I'm gonna make a frame around it. I'll use one piece of 10 series in the middle, and then I will make the legs as well. Pretty much the same. This is made out of a 1/2 inch tubing or 3/4 inch tubing, steel tubing, and I want to get it to aluminum. And I won't have all these. I'll use T-nuts in the rail, and then the new 3/4 inch hardware that I got that will go through the plywood. It's got a flat head on it, so it'd be perfect for that. But that's and I would have had enough aluminum for it, but I made a mistake and well, I didn't make a mistake. I just thought I needed to add a support because of where the slides were, but ended up I had to move the slides, so I really added a support for no reason. And what that did was take up some of my 10 series aluminum, so I may have enough, but I don't think I do. But I think I'm gonna have to order like maybe a 4-foot piece or something to be able to do that platform on the second row there. I think that's it. I do have another little project I'm working on, making a powder coating oven. I've got to order my controller, but I found the controller I'm going to use, and I do have my heating elements. I've got 6 of those, so I'm going to do an oven that I can actually powder coat my front bumper, because I hadn't put my winch on, my new winch, and I was waiting until I'm able to powder coat my front bumper, and I'm actually going to do it myself. So I'm working on the oven, getting all the parts and pieces. I think I'm going to be able to do it for maybe $800 to $900 on building the oven. That's going to be large enough. I think it'll be 7 foot by 5 foot. So it'll be tall enough to put my bumper in, standing up, and hang it. Yeah, I think that is it. Just giving you what I wish would have been my final update, but getting close on the drawer system. Pretty happy with it. Hate that I didn't get to work on it this week, but work has been busy, and that does pay the bills. So anyway, if you have any questions or comments or anything on the FJ or anything that I do, just hit me up in the comments. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so. It helps me out. And until next time, stay trashy.